Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Too Easy. So today we will learn basics of Power Portals. So before get started, if you are new into my channel, then please hit this red color subscribe button. Then you will able to get all the latest video notification. So let's get started. So first we have to open in the URL bar. We have to open make.powerapps.com. So it will when you type in make.powerapps.com in the browser, it will take you on this page. And before I started, I will tell you if you don't have the trial instance, so first we have to create the trial instance of Dynamics 365. So for that you have to create a trial instance. We have some procedure for that. So if you don't know how can we create a trial instance of Dynamics 365, so go and watch my last video on YouTube channel. So for me, I have the this trial instance. So now I am proceeding. How can we work on Power Portal? So when you will open this make.powerportal.com, it will take you on this page. So here you have to click on this apps. When you will click on this apps, it will show you this. These are default apps. So as you can see, this is a default environment, but we will work on this environment because this is created by me. This is a default environment. So click on this. So now we have in the right environment. So now we will click on apps. So when we click on apps, it will take you on this page. Here you can see we have option new apps, and when you will click on this, it will show you these options. We have three types of apps we can create in Power Apps: Canvas app, model driven app, and portal app. When we click on portal, it will open a pop-up window. Here you have to fill some details. As you can see, name of the portal, address. This would be a address of your portal. This is the language you can select. By default, it would be English. You can change as per your requirement, but no, sorry, we can't change this language. And this checkbox is for like if you have existing website data, so you can use existing website data as well, but we don't have any. We are creating a new portal, so we will skip this part. So now after filling this, when you will click on this create, it will create a portal for you. But now I already have, so I will proceed with this because when we click on after filling these forms, when we click on create, it will take some time. So that's why I already can see when you will click create, when your portal will create successfully, it will show you some apps here. Like you can see, I created portal with name Tag to Easy, so I am able to see here. And this is a portal management where you can manage your portal things. So when we click on this portal management, one new tab will open and it will show you the all the things related to portal. So this is a basically for the configuration of your portal. If you want to change anything like website name, anything you can modify from here. We have some options here. You can see this is for website, this for content, this for security, this for ads management, this is for polls, this is administrator. So we have various type of options here. And this is the edit mode of the portal. When we click on this edit, it will open the portal in edit mode. As you can see, it's loading, getting things ready. It will take some time. As you can see, it's loaded successfully. So this is the portal in edit mode. Here we have some option in left side. You can see we have some option for adding the pages navigation. Here you can add some components. Here for the theme management, this is for page templates. So you can manage the things from here. In the left side also you can create new page from here, and in the right side you can see this is the save button, this is the sync configuration button, this is a browse website. After creating your website, when you will click on this browse website, it will open your website for you which you created. As you can see, this is a default website. uh, when you will create any portal things, this website will come. This is the default portal. You can change things here, and you can modify the content on this website as well. So for now I will show you how can we add a web page in a portal, and how can we show it on the portal. And before I started, I will tell you these things like, uh, this is the scene configuration button. Like, if you did any changes in the portal, so you have to click on this scene configuration button, because when you will if you skip this part, so your changes not reflect on the front end of the portal. So if you want to see the changes, you have to click on this scene configuration button. So I would recommend remember these things in configuration button. So now we will see how we can create a web page in the Power Portal, and how we can add some components on that page. So, and for now I will add a list on the web page. So for adding a web page, we have to click here. As you can see in the left corner, we have two types of layouts here, blank and landing page. So you can choose as per your requirement. I am selecting here this one as a blank. So it will create a web page in the Power Portal as a blank layout, and you can see it's loading. After it loading, it will show here. We have to fill these details: name, partial URL. Name is the nothing like page of the name, and this is the partial URL, like URL of the web page. Be unique for all pages. So make sure when you are giving any name, so make sure it should be unique. And for now I am giving it here as a test page as a name, and in the partial URL same I am giving test page. So, and here you can see it's saving automatically. So we have two options here, one is save, one is sync configuration. So don't getting confused in these two. This for the save of for saving the page, and this for the syncing the changes to the portal. So now you can see we successfully created a web page. So now what we can do, like, we will add a components on the page. So for adding the components, we have options here. As you can see, components. So we have various type of options here, like um, site component. We have text, image, iframe, form, list, breadcrumb, Power BI, chatbot. We can add these details here. We can add these components here. So for now, I am adding a list here. So we just click on list. It will add a list here. So now you can see we have two options here: use existing and create new. So here for now I am creating a new list here. You can give it name of the list here, test list. Here you have to select the table or entity. You can select. So for now I'm selecting account entity here, account table. This is here you can you have to select view. So for now I'm selecting all contact here. You can select as per your requirement, and these are the some configuration here. If you want to create new record from the web page, you can enable it. Same you can do for others, like view details, edit record, delete record. And this for the table permission. If you are adding some tables here, so make sure you have a permission for that table. If you don't have the permission for that table, you have to add the permission first, then you can use that table here. So in the setting, we have other configuration for the showing the records on the web page. Like if you want to show 10 records per page, you can, by default it would be 10. You can change here as per your requirement. And now I will click on sync configuration button for syncing the changes to the portal. Because if you will not click on this, it will not sync the changes to the portal. So if you want to see the changes, latest changes on the front end, you have to click on this sync configuration button. Now you can see we have added a web page and we have added a list on that page. So now if you want to see that changes on the front end, we have to click just on this browse website. When you will click on this browse website, it will open a uh, website in a new tab. So for seeing the changes, I will click on this button, browse website. So it will take me on this page. As you can see, it's showing me the web page which I created, but it's showing here you don't have permission to view these records. So what you have to do, we have to add the table permission for seeing these changes. So for adding the table permission, we have to click here. Manage table permission. As you can see, we have added account. So if you want to see the changes, you can click here, browse website. When you will click on this, it's open a new window, new tab, and you can see this is your page, test page, and on that page we have added a list. You can see the list and you can see the record here. So that's all for today. And if you want to more video like this, please subscribe our channel. And if you feel this video is helpful for you, you can share with your friends, and please like this video. And if you want videos on another topics, you can share the topics in the comment section. Thanks for watching.